first thing I'm gonna do is take my cuticle pusher and push back all my cuticles very lightly. We do not want to damage our cuticles or hurt our cuticles in any type of way. That would be extremely unnecessary. Now go ahead and grab your little baby nail file and file down your nails. If you have longer nails, then file them down even more. In this next step, we're going to take the nail buffer and buff our nails. We want to make sure there's no oil whatsoever on our nail because that will cause lifting, and we do not want that. We want our nails to last for a very long time. That's why we're going to go ahead and use this alcohol pad on every single little finger. And then once we get done, we're just going to put a little bit of glue, not too much and not too little. And then you want to press down your press-ons starting from the cuticle. Your press-ons should look as if they're growing out of your cuticles. They shouldn't look just glued on. So make sure you take your time during this process. And everything I just used to apply my press-on nails will be included in every single press-on set kit.